Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have the new U case from Matchbox. This is the third mix of the base set. So we have that today to go through. I didn't take any, I opened the box to see what was in it, make sure everything was right. And it looks good. There's a lot of doubles, unfortunately. But the doubles are good. But before we get into that, don't forget, like and subscribe. We are so close to 100 subscribers. Once that day comes, I will be doing a drawing from one of you lucky subscribers to get this super treasure hunt along with a pack of evolutions and this amazing rare card. So, that'll be there. I'm also a little sick, so if I cough, sneeze, whatever, oh well. You're just gonna have to toughen it up like me. So, actually, let's turn it sideways. So, here's our box. And let's just get into it right here. Starting with the skid steer. I think the last time I saw one was purple from a 5-pack. It's itty bitty. So if you like the construction cars, here's a new one for you. Actually, it says it's a fire car. That's dope. So I haven't seen construction stuff at all. Usually that was big in Matchbox, but I'm just not really seeing it in the new Matchbox sets. They have the car. Oh my god, this thing is so. Look at this card. Oh man, that's what you don't want to see. But look how it's packed. You got these little things in here. The packing on Matchbox cars is pretty bad. So expect to find shitty cars. Alright, next one. You get 2 of the Road Stripe Kings. That's pretty cool. It even has a little picture right here. I don't know what that's about. I'm guessing something gonna go in there because there's a hole. That's cool. So you get 2 of these, and I would definitely categorize this as a construction. Cool. One of those ones. Okay. Now, you get 2 of the 2019 Ford Mustang Coupes. I actually do like this model. A lot of people kind of hate it. I don't know why. I think it's dope. It's recently somewhat of a new model. So, it kind of even looks like a Camaro in some angles. But yeah, that's beautiful in this blue. They did a lot of detail in the headlights. The taillights, everything is so detailed on these. Even the rim, I love these rims. That's a great casting. And then here's one you only get one of, the Nissan NV van. The Courtesy Shuttle. I'm sorry for this glare. I have horrible lighting, and here comes the cough. Alright. So yeah. The plastic, this one's got a plastic front. Don't really like seeing that. I feel like it cheapens the car. And then even the the bumper, same way. But it's got a little hitch. That's cool. I always like hitches. Plastic bottom. Yeah, you get one of those in this case. And then the next row, another one you only get one of is the F550 Super Duty. This is a work truck. I think last time I saw one was yellow. Not too long ago even. So there is this. Again with the plastic in the front. I just hate when there's so much plastic on these cars. I like metal. Even if it says metal, where's the metal? Give me more metal. But yeah. There's that F550, and then it looks like we're getting 2 of these International E-Star World of Miniatures. Ooh, I know someone that's gonna like this. So there's that. It looks like I'm gonna guess a self-driving car because they really like pushing stuff like that recently. So that's not too bad. Great little addition to any collection. And here comes a good one. The MGB GT Coupe in green this time, whereas in last year was red. That's beautiful. I think this one's better. And then I'm digging the new card art. It's nice. And then this has some shit on it. Oh god. These are dirty. So I actually acquired this case. It was sealed, but the way I hunt, I'll go out at night and find boxes at Walmart, usually Walmart. Here's the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet in the black. Not my favorite Porsche, or well, at least it is my favorite Porsche. I don't like the Cabriolet. I'll just put it like that. But yeah, my buddy got this case for me, and I traded him some stuff for it, and it was a fair trade. So there were two cases. The second one had motor oil, just doused. It was just doused in motor oil. I don't know how that happened. The employees at Walmart suck at their job and dumped oil all over a box of Matchbox cars. So this one was somewhat safe. I don't see any oil on it, like little handprints maybe, but he saved this box for me because he knows how much I like Matchbox. Ooh, I think this is gonna be the best one. I think this is my favorite one from this box so far. The 57 Dodge Sweptside? I thought it would be Stepside. Sweptside pickup. That is dope. Has the old school flares on there. Now this is what I like to see in Matchbox. Even though it's got a plastic bumper, I can live with that. It's a little bit on this one at least. I'll let this one have it. But that is awesome. Nice little truck. All right, here we go. You get 3 of these, which I know everyone's gonna like. God damn it. Alright. Sorry. The 1976 Honda CVCC. Basically a Honda Civic. So you get 3 of these, which is great because I love this casting so much. We'll put these 2 over here. The first one, this is the second casting, or the second time this was casted. This was white. Last time was yellow. And they were real fun to find. I think it was only 1 or 2 per case in the last one. But yeah, you get 3 of these. That's nice. That's awesome. Hell, it's even plastic in the front bumper, but the top half of it's metal, which is, I dig that. That's fine. But when there's mostly plastic all over this car, that's when I think it's cheap. And that's why I say the Volkswagen Beetle is cheap out of these Matchbox sets. Alright. 2011 Mini Countryman. Ooh, it's got those, look at these rims. They're like bronze. A hint of bronze. Nice little orange color. Big. The whole top of this car. If you were to take this car apart, the whole top is one piece. I can tell you that right now. That's how it is in, I think, a Land Rover, and the Hot Wheels is like that. Yeah, this case isn't as bad as the last case. The last case I thought was not that great, but this one's freaking awesome. We got the Hazard Squad. This is the Matchbox Hazmat team. This to me this is new to me, casting wise. So it's like a fire truck, but it's not too much plastic. So there's that. That's not a bad one. I've seen worse. He's a cool one. You only get one of these. It is the 1965 Land Rover Gen 2 in a nice green. I feel like I have seen this before. I don't know where, but I don't know if this was even in the last year's set. But this thing is cool. This is so old school. Here's the front. The back. Hey, that one from the card art's pretty cool. There's choking hazard. That means that this top part comes off. I like that. I like when Matchbox puts interchangeable parts. Well, I don't know interchangeable, but they have stuff that comes off and on. All right, 2 left. Ooh. Here's the Speed Trapper. These are always cool just to have in a set. Oh well. If you're a big-ass kid like I am, when you set shit up, these are always fun to just throw around in a set. Or say you're playing with them. Always fun to put these on the back of a police car. Alright, last 3. You get 3 of these. And this is another one of my favorites from the set. It's the 79 Chevy Nova. Yes. The card art, sweet. Car itself is sweet. I love this sapphire color. And I say sapphire because this is like the blue from the Sapphire series. I only have one of those cars somewhere, but not here. But yeah, when you think of classic muscle, man, this is what comes to mind. A Nova. This is a coupe. Even the front is chromed out. So I think this is definitely up there in the best models from this case. And that is the end of the U case, also known as Mix 3. And I think that's a great set. Definitely better than the last one. And hopefully, what is that? ABC V case. Sounds stupid doing that. The V case comes out maybe next month or so, maybe soon, I don't know. Hopefully it's soon and I can showcase it for y'all. But till then, I will see y'all next time.